If you want a guy to just run as far away from you as possible, do these 5 things and he will for sure never want to talk to you ever again. So if you want to know what these tips are, you should keep watching. Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Famchi. Today I'm going to talk about what you can do if you don't want a guy to keep talking to you. Subscribe if you have not already, click the red button, and also hit the notification so that you know when I post a new video. I have these. These are really good. I got them from Trader Joe's. Amazing. Anyways, sorry, so good. So if he's like super interested in you and you don't want him to be, here's what to do to make him lose interest. First tip is to text him constantly. Just like text him all the time. Give him only a few minutes to reply. If he doesn't reply within that window of time, then just like keep texting him and then like tell him that he's not good at texting. If you do that, for sure, he will not want to talk to you. He's just gonna stop texting altogether. And if that's your goal, good job, because you're gonna accomplish it by doing that. All right, moving on to tip number 2, FaceTime him when it's like a completely random hour of the day, like maybe like 12 noon. Keep FaceTiming him until he just doesn't want to talk to you anymore. Tip number 3 is to ask him about all the women that you see on his social media. Make sure that you do this in the most annoying way possible. Just go through each one and send him all the photos. Send it to him. Who is this? And who is this? And who is this? Granted that you've only met this person recently, it doesn't matter. Nag him about this and I promise you, he's not gonna want to talk to you. He's gonna be like, you know what? I'm done. But remember, this is your goal. So if that is your goal, you've been successful. Moving on to tip number 4. If you want him to not talk to you ever again, ask him if he loves you. Yes, look at him and say, do you love me? If you've just started talking, this is especially a great thing to ask. Like if you just started texting a few hours ago, or maybe it's only been like a week, ask him if he loves you. Because if you ask him this, he will get so scared and just want to like back off and never talk to you. But this is your goal, so yeah. Ask him if he loves you. Number 5, which is the last tip, is to just show up at his place with a gift. Not that he even asked you to buy him this gift, but just show up with a gift. For instance, if he says that, oh my gosh, I might need a new bike or I might need some new headphones, just show up at his place with that gift that he never asked you to buy and just be like, here, I care about you so much, so I want you to have this gift. And he's not gonna talk to you again, probably. He's gonna be like so freaked out that he's just not even gonna wanna talk to you. So those are my tips for if you want a guy to run from you. You should try them out and you should go ahead and use it. So I have to say, sorry that my voice is kind of weird. I have a sore throat right now and I'm really trying to like chug water. And I probably shouldn't be eating the soft mangoes, but I'm just trying to get over it. So I'm really sorry if the audio quality is not that great. Also, I'm using my iPhone because it's just a little bit easier and I'm also testing it out. But yeah, thanks for watching this video and I hope you do subscribe. Bye.